Hey everybody, today we're going to learn about where patents are filed. All right, I'm JD Houvener, owner and founder here at Bold Patents Law Firm, and I'm excited to talk with you. I've helped inventors for over 10 years get 1,000 plus patents filed, and it's resulted in nearly 400 patents issued as of today. I'm also the author of Bold Ideas, the Inventor's Guide to Patents. So let's get to it. Where are US patents filed? And there's three major ways that you can file it. One is by far and away the most common, which is electronic filing. In fact, the USPTO has now it costs you money. They charge you an additional fee if you file a hard copy, paper copy. So those are options 1 and 2. If you actually have time to go down to Alexandria, Virginia, to the patent office, you can hand in your paper copy of your application and give it to the commissioner or the front office staff at the library or at the actual patent office. You can mail it as well. And this will have to go to the Commissioner of Patents. And there's the addresses there on the USPTO website. But I would say the vast majority, probably 95, even 99% of all applications submitted today are through the new USPTO's Patent Center. And that's the website where you can create a login, get all your ID verified, and you can submit right there. And it says new application, you can file it, and it must be submitted in the right way. And let's go through kind of what that means. And that means submitting the specification, the claims, the abstract, the non-provisional utility application, and it must be in a docx format. So they don't want you to submit it in a PDF or any type of other, Google Doc format. It must be in a docx, which is enough to avoid that $400 fee, which is if you hand in a handwritten, patent application submittal. So save money, file on the Patent Center. But if you're unable to do that, maybe there's, you're not able to get access to a computer or the internet, which is hard to believe, but it can be true. You can submit that to the Patent and Trademark Office. You can send it to the Commissioner for Patents, P.O. Box 1450, Alexandria, Virginia, 22313. And again, you can also hand deliver it in person to the Patent Office in Alexandria, Virginia. There's one more topic here in terms of where you file the application. Is if you're using the Patent Center, you'll want to make sure you've got all the right documents. Okay, all the right. Otherwise, you're going to be able to. You may not get what's called a filing date, and a filing date is something very important to you having that priority. Because as you know, maybe you don't know, the patent system is now in the US, it's a first to file system. So it doesn't really matter who invents it first. You have to make sure you know not just where to file, but make sure you have all the right documents in order. And so for a non-provisional utility application, you've got to have everything just right. And I'm thinking of the abstract, when the written description, the detailed description of the drawings. The figures must be formally submitted and flag noted, as well as the oath and declaration. You must have your payment, right? The form with the fee. The current fee, I believe, is around $200. It depends on the right entity size. And you have to select whether you're a micro, a small, or a regular entity size to see what your fee levels are. And if you're using an attorney, or if you're using an agent, you must make sure they're signing it in the right way. And so there's a whole lot to talk about in terms of filling out those forms. We might take our time and go through one of these videos tomorrow or next week with each of those forms in hand and talk about how you fill those out. But in terms of where to file, it's by far and away recommended to go to the Patent Center website, save yourself $400 fee. If you're unable to do that, you can mail it, option number 2, or hand deliver it, option number 3. All right, I'm JD Houvener. Hope you guys had a great time learning about where to file the patent application. If you have more questions or you're ready to kind of take the next step and learn about the whole process of researching, applying for an application, and getting the patent granted, click below. I've got a link to our Bold Inventor Kit. By checking that out, it's a PDF. I've given away a lot of information in this. It's jam-packed with the whole link to the book I've written. It's got a flow chart, which is a fairly simple breakdown of our ABC flow chart, as well as the monetization strategy. which talks about the patent success journey and the difference between marketability and patentability. So have a look. It's awesome. Click below and also subscribe to our channel here on YouTube. I'm JD Houvener, owner-founder here at Bold Patents Law Firm. Have a good day, everybody. Go big, go bold.